Back with Diggy lifts. Got back squats today. First set at 10 reps, 162 kilos right here. And what I like about this program is that it switches up every week. So last week had a lot more reps and just had one constant weight, and then today switching it up, starting with 162 and then dropping down from 10, 5 reps, 3 reps, 2 reps, and 1 rep. So getting a lot heavier today. So that's good. And finishing up squats right here. Second set, 179 right here for 5 reps. And after that initial set, the rest of the sets went pretty easily because didn't feel as tight and squats were feeling good today. Down here, got 3 reps at 187 and looking solid. Reps are moving pretty fast, not slowing down, no grinders, so that's always good. 1 in a 5 here for a double, and surprised myself how well that went. Here's 202, which for some reason felt the easiest. Then moving right on, got a clean high pull today. So here using the straps just to concentrate on the pull and not so much on the grip. So I had 6 sets here, 128 kilos, had 5 reps, and then increasing a rep after each set, but I'm only going to show 1 set here. And definitely hard to get used to pulling from above the knee since I contact the bar so low. Here got push press, 3 sets of 3 reps, 100 kilos, and should have took some more time warming up during these, but even with very little warm up, still managed to get all those. Here's 105, increased it by 5 kilos for 2 sets of doubles.